Hi, my name is Jessica Perez, and today I'll be explaining Chapter 6, Problem 35 from the text. So the question states, determine the force in the members F, EF, CF, and BC, and state if the members are in tension or compression. So first we have to start with our givens, and we are given that ED equals 1.5 meters, DB equals 4 meters, the force of E equals 4 kilonewtons, and the force at F equals 8 kilonewtons. Then step 2 would be to determine what we need to find, and we need to find the force in members EF, CF, and BC, and we also have to state if the tension or compression. That then brings us to step 3, which is to make an assumption, and one must assume that the body is at equilibrium to solve for the unknown forces. And that brings us to step 4, which is to make a plan. So step 1 would be use the method of sections to solve for FBC and FEF by using the moment equation and you setting that equal to 0. Then step 2 would be to solve for the force at CF by using the force equation and setting that equal to 0 because it's at equilibrium. And the last step would be to determine if it is at tension or compression. That then brings us to step 5, which is to make a free body diagram, and I just reinstated what the picture showed, and I added the directions of the forces in light blue. And then that brings us to step 6, which is the solution step. So use step 1, you use the moment equations. So the force at BC times the distance or the length. So that's 1.5 minus 4, the force at point E times 2. And you set that equal to 0, and that gives us 5.33 kilonewtons in compression. And if you look at the free body diagram, it explains that. And the same equation is used to solve for Fe, but this time it is in tension. And lastly, to solve for FCF, you would do 4 minus FCF equals 0, and that equals 4 kilonewtons tension. And that is how you solve this problem. Thank you for following along, and have a nice day.